We are at it again. I am here for our shout out Saturday at Commercial Cleaning Incorporated, a locally owned Harford County business. We're going to go inside. I'm going to introduce you to the owner, Jennifer Ehrlich, so she can tell you all about what they do. So here we are inside Commercial Cleaning Incorporated. I'm with Jennifer Ehrlich, and Sean Lipscomb has joined us as well. They are the owners of this locally owned business in Harford County. So Sean and Jennifer, tell us a little bit about what Commercial Cleaning Inc. is all about.
Well, as you said, Rebecca, we are with Commercial Cleaning Incorporated. Our primary business focus is on the warehousing and distribution sector in Harford County. We work with anywhere from 30 to 40 employees on any given day, and our primary goal is to make sure that we provide 100% of what we agree to out of the gate 100% of the time.
Fantastic. And tell us a little bit about the types of businesses that you cater to with your cleaning services.
We do strictly commercial, and we do anything from small to medium businesses. We can do office space all the way up to distribution centers. We do some distribution centers that are 1 million square feet.
Wow. So anywhere from a small business to a large business, mostly distribution centers. Are there any other businesses that you would hope to obtain or work with, or are you just specifically with distribution centers?
Primarily, it's not so much that we stick to warehousing and distribution, but we like to form partnerships with our customers that are interested in cleanliness and quality, because we believe that has a direct impact on the way the employees feel about where they work.
Fantastic. And is there anything specific that you'd like our listeners to know that they may not realize about Commercial Cleaning Inc.?
We've been in business now going on 12 years, and once we form a partnership with a company, we do our very best. We do not lose that customer. We work with them to create a plan to satisfy all their cleaning needs. We also do carpet cleaning, and we strip and wax floors as well.
One other point I'd like to add to that is that when we formed the company, we didn't want to be your average janitorial company. So we realized that in this business specifically, it was going to require good people to work for us. So we agreed to pay people at a higher rate than the other janitorial companies out there and make them want to be a part of commercial cleaning. And so far our turnover is probably, I would guess, better than most of our competition, just because we continue to take care of the employees because they try to look out for us.
That's fantastic. So maybe you can share with our listeners a little more specifically about the equipment that you use or the process that's entailed.
Well, we found that just like everything, you get what you pay for. So when we started this business, we wanted to solve problems. One of the things we've done is invested heavily in better equipment. For instance, we, rather than use a wet extract system for cleaning carpets, we used a host dry extract. And what that does is it allows us to clean the carpet and allow our customers to be able to walk on the carpet immediately versus that 12 to 24 hour dry time.
Wow. Anything else that you'd like to share, Jennifer?
When I go into a customer's site, I do a walkthrough and I find out how many people are in and out of the restrooms and how much traffic they have. And then I formulate a plan that will make sure that the bathrooms and their kitchens, microwaves, all the common areas are kept up to par, clean and sanitized. And we go as far as making sure we get corners, edges, baseboards, behind the toilets, move things out of the way to make sure we get every little nook and cranny and make your facility look its best.
Fantastic. If anybody wants to utilize your services, how would they go about reaching out to you?
We have a website, which is www.commercialcleanmd.com, or we're located in Fallston in Harford County, Maryland, and you can come by our offices on Bel Air Road.
Terrific. So here we have Jennifer and Sean at Commercial Cleaning Incorporated, and if you have any commercial cleaning needs, please feel free to reach out to them. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.